Learn how to make this real estate flyer, right? Without further ado, let us get started. So today we'll be using our Chrome browser instead of our Canva app, right? Because there's have an effect that we're going to be using. We're not be able to do that, so we have to use our Canva app. So go to www.canva.com and then you log in, right? And then you get to this page. Okay, so the custom size, we're using 3000 by 3000. That's the custom size, right? Also know that you can use your Canva use your Canva app to do your designs. Your website to do your designs. So some people even prefer using website to smartphone. One of the reasons of using website is that you'll be able to choose it as desktop size, right? Which will be showing as how we show in your laptop while you're still using your phone, right? And that gives you extra advantage. Give you extra options that are not available when you're using a smartphone, right? So hope you're watching. We've uploaded our background and now set it as image. Okay, using effects. The extra. So be importing all these things will make available to you in the resources, right? We're importing the house that we're using. So we'll place it, align it there, and then the sky, giving us the key to our dream home, right? God. Okay, so after aligning it, we align it. Once to go out to position it where. Okay. So the next step I'll be doing now is I'll go to shapes. I'll click on the second option. Okay, I'll click on the second option and I'll arrange as okay, when bringing down, align it here at the bottom. Want to arrange it well at the bottom. All the curved edge to be showing, right? So that's the thing we're going to be doing. We'll change the color to white. Okay, there's it. So that's aligned. The next thing is bringing in the text, right? Bringing our text that we're using. So add a heading as usual. Then edit it, change it to your dream home awaits you. Your dream home awaits you. Yeah, awaits you. Okay. And then using a font, special coded to extra bold. That's what I'm using. So we can use the size. Then we're gonna rearrange it, right? Make it arranged properly. So bring home at the top first line. I will tell the second line. I want to reduce the spacing between the two lines. I think it's too much. Okay, so reduce that spacing. And then we'll position it properly. All right. So I think this is want to rearrange that maybe put down like this choked up somehow. When the house is okay. I think I'll go to our position there, right? And then we'll place both of them at the center. The option center there. Means the deep there goes into your center. Okay, so it's perfect like this. So we change the color of the opinion from using a color code. So we're writing our color code. Now the color code is 0032E for blue. Alright. So let's just place that there. Okay. Then we're adding another we're adding logos design. So we know how to place. Okay, so we know how to place it. So just I am just align that quickly at the top, right? Okay, so okay that way. I'll just try something there. All right. Just have to reposition that right. Let's use the notch. Bring it down. Okay. We'll be duplicating that. We're using the normal color code without the code. We'll do that, change it to our website. Alright. So we're gonna code the code. So we'll go to format, make it all caps. I think that size is too small. Okay. Let's change it to 55. Okay. So duplicated that and then we choose it, writing our Instagram handle, our Twitter handle, and writing it at the base, right? So I will just record that. Hope it's very visible so you can see. www.dreamhome.com is the website we're going to be using. Font size, I mean, it's the same code we're using, right? But we're using it from all caps, and then we reduce the size so it's smaller than the website there, and then we'll change the color. Using a color code. I told you color code, right? It's color code, you can get the color of any design anywhere, right? So as far as you have the color code, you get the design. So you just have to type it out. All colors have their color code written on the top. So just use it. You're using a color, just go to this page, you see the color code written there. So we're using the color code 2CB11 there, right? So that's the one we're using. So we duplicate those things, we duplicate the website, it's our Instagram handle, right there. After aligning it, right Instagram, right Twitter, and then we'll continue. Okay, so we have done that now. We're adding the leaf effect, right? So add some special effects to the flyer. After we'll add the leaf effect and then we'll make the blur 5 for each of them, right? Duplicate that at both sides or adjust it and then make the blur effect 5. and it's just the blog. We're not changing any other thing, just the blog, making both blog. Just only the blog making it 5, right? Everything remain at their default, which is 0, right? For most of them. So now the reason why we use the our browser for this design is so that we can make it a desktop site, because it's a design that I want to do, right, and an effect want to do, and you cannot do that with your laptop. So instead of getting a laptop, I can just do a desktop site using your browser, and then you do whatever you want to do, rather than go through the house of trying to get system, or connect your system to the website, so a internet access and all of that. So this is just how to do it. So now you click on that. Okay, so click on that to go to edit, right? Edit, so you can copy dream home, right? When you click on edit, you can just highlight some part. So by highlighting dream home, right now you cannot do this if you're your Canva app, right? I think when you want to go and click color, it changes back. So you go to your color and choose green. You also go to the U. You go to the U there. I'll change the color to green. Highlight that too and change the color to green. Now logging into your Canva using your Canva browser is not really it's not stressful at all, right? So as you can, how you log into your Canva app, that's how you log into your Canva on your website. So see, there you have the beautiful design we just created. So we'll be increasing the saturation of the background. Let's just edit a little bit to make it more better. So I'll go to saturation there. We'll increase the saturation. I think I brought it to 33, right? So there you have it. Your dream home awaits you, a real estate design on Canva. Okay. So the next thing we're doing, I think, just to download it, right? So to download it, click on the top icon at the top there. I'll be cycling that. Okay, that's it. That's share. Click on the share, and then you see download, right? Sorry, click on download, and then it shows you this option. Now, after it downloads here, you now see the file starts downloading on your browser. I thought so. When it does this, you know it downloaded. Because after it does that, then you don't see it there. So it pop-ups. Because I've did this design before, right? So I'll do download again, but you just start downloading. So download it, and after it downloads into your file, then you open it, and there you have your flyer, right? So this is just for how to get the extra effects when you are using Canva from a desktop site. So let's go to our phone. There's the design, right? So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day.